Good afternoon. My name is Bill Mance. I'm the president and CEO of Bronson Healthcare. And it's my pleasure to welcome you to this virtual groundbreaking for the new Bronson Behavioral Health Hospital in Battle Creek. And joining me today are Debbie Osteen, Chief Executive Officer for Acadia Healthcare, our joint venture partner. Dwight Willingham, Operations Group President for Acadia Healthcare. Nelson Karre, Board Chair for Bronson Health System, and a Battle Creek attorney, and Todd McDonald, Principal, CSM Group, our construction partner. And while we wish we could be hosting a large in-person gathering for a project as important as this one, the ongoing spread of the COVID-19 virus indicates that it's safer to remain socially distanced. So thank you for joining us here on this Zoom event. And we know that we look forward to future milestones where we can celebrate with you in person. In June, Bronson and Acadia Healthcare announced that we had formed a joint venture to build an inpatient behavioral health hospital in Battle Creek. And today, we celebrate the groundbreaking on this 25-acre site at Glen Cross Road and M66. This site will provide easy access for patients throughout Southwest and South Central Michigan. In addition, this $35 million investment in a new state-of-the-art behavioral health hospital addresses a critical need identified by many community health assessments. There's growing demand for behavioral health services in our region and a current shortage of behavioral health beds. So by building this new 96-bed hospital, we can help not only bring vital services to patients and families near their homes, but contribute to economic development and job growth in this region. Acadia Healthcare is the nation's largest standalone behavioral health provider. Through our partnership, we will bring Bronson's reputation for excellence together with Acadia's strong clinical outcome-driven expertise to create an exceptional behavioral health hospital. And now, here to share more is Debbie Osteen, the CEO of Acadia Healthcare. Debbie?
Thanks, Bill. It's great to be with you all virtually today. Acadia Healthcare is a leading provider of behavioral health services with 230 behavioral health facilities, treating over 70,000 patients daily in 40 states and Puerto Rico. We are extremely pleased to be partnering with Bronson Healthcare for the development of this new hospital. We have a strong track record for partnering with health systems nationally to provide innovative programs and services, deliver robust clinical outcomes, and build state-of-the-art behavioral health hospitals. As we break ground on this new hospital, it marks the coming together of two organizations that are passionate about collaborating to bring behavioral health care services to the residents of Battle Creek, Kalamazoo, and surrounding communities. This groundbreaking ceremony is much more than a symbolic gesture. It is a commitment to being part of the solution by offering behavioral health treatment options and also replacing stigma with hope. Today, we gather to celebrate our ability to respond to community needs and individual challenges, and also to offer new ways to help patients move forward. This truly is a joint venture, not just with Bronson, but with our community stakeholders, city and county leaders, and the great team of physicians, nurses, and support staff who will care for our patients. So much work by so many has brought us to this exciting place. I want to echo our thanks to the architects, engineers, and construction teams who will help to make this hospital a reality. It will be a beautiful building and a source of health and healing for the communities that we serve. Acadia Healthcare is honored to be working with Bronson Healthcare in providing services of such value in the region. At this time, I would like to pass it over to Dwight Willingham, our operations group president for Acadia Healthcare. Thank you.
We are so excited for this partnership. In talking with the Bronson team, we knew we had partners who shared our belief in the importance of behavioral health to an individual's overall well-being and who shared our goal of wanting to offer a full continuum of community-based, high-quality services to those in need. Behavioral health was near epidemic levels prior to the pandemic. In Michigan alone, from 2017 to 2019, 330,000 adults had serious thoughts of suicide. And less than half of the Michigan adults who were struggling with a behavioral health concern during that same time period received some form of treatment. Now, as a consequence of the COVID pandemic, we are seeing a higher number of patients across the country. And health challenges from these individuals are more acute. Social distancing, ongoing interruptions from normal activities, and the anxiety caused by the global health crisis have, for some individuals, exacerbated the existing conditions. And these issues have real impact on the community. The timing of this joint venture could not be better. The Bronson team has mentioned many times the number of patients who come to its hospitals and medical practices seeking behavioral health treatment. With this new hospital opens, adults in Battle Creek, Kalamazoo, and surrounding communities will have access to the highest quality inpatient and intensive outpatient psychiatric treatment for a variety of mental and behavioral health concerns, including anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, and post-traumatic stress disorder. We recognize how tough it is to struggle with a behavioral health disorder, and we are committed to working together, delivering compassionate, clinically excellent care in Southwest Michigan. Thanks for joining us, everyone, and I'll turn it back over to you, Bill.
Great. Thank you, Debbie and Dwight, for your remarks. Next on the program, we have Nelson Karre, who serves as the chair of Bronson Healthcare. Nelson?
Thank you. Thank you, Bill. First of all, I would like to say on behalf of everyone who lives and works in Battle Creek, and I'm included in that group, and the surrounding area, how much we appreciate the investment that Bronson and Acadia Healthcare are making in our community. The demand for care described by the previous speakers points out the huge need for expanding services for those who struggle with mental health conditions and need comprehensive treatment. Bronson Battle Creek has for many years provided behavioral health services at its Fieldstone Center, which, as an older facility, cannot be adapted to meet future capacity needs and regulatory requirements. The new Bronson Behavioral Health Hospital will allow the inpatient program and staff to relocate from Fieldstone to a brand new hospital and grow their capacity to serve the community even better. This means more care and treatment options for patients, career growth for current staff, and more jobs retained and added in Battle Creek. The Bronson Board of Directors is thrilled to see the project break ground, even if it is virtually, and we will be even more thankful when it opens for our patients in early 2023. I would like to thank everyone who has had a hand in planning the new hospital and those who will now commence with building it. This is a great day for Bronson Healthcare, Acadia Healthcare, for Battle Creek, Michigan, and for the thousands of people across the region who will benefit because we invested and built it here. It is my pleasure now to introduce Todd McDonald, principal with CSM Group, who will oversee the construction project. Todd?
Thank you, Nelson. What a great asset for our community. And CSM, being part of the community, is honored and excited to be part of this project team alongside Acadia Healthcare and Bronson, with whom we've done many projects over the years. The impact that this Bronson Behavioral Health Hospital will have on our regional community is important and fulfills a critical need. Our focus is as a selected construction managers to deliver this project in the safest manner possible while engaging the local community. We strive for local trade contractor participation and will work hard to make sure that that happens on this project. And this investment could provide more than 100 on-site positions throughout the duration of this project. Today's groundbreaking, even though virtual, gives us the green light to begin our work. Thank you, Bronson and Acadia, for this opportunity.
Thank you, Nelson and Todd. I'd like to thank all of our speakers for bringing the features and benefits of the Bronson Behavioral Health Hospital to life. And thanks to all of you for participating in this virtual groundbreaking event. It's my first virtual groundbreaking event in my career. So yeah, we know that the healthcare needs of our communities are great, but by collaborating and partnering with one another to fill the gaps, we know that together we can advance the health of our communities. Thank you all and be well.